Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you review of Tata Sampann Kabuli Chana and recipe of chole. This 500 gram pack has MRP of 123 rupees, but you get this one from Amazon at rupees 87, and pack says in bold letter that it is unpolished, which means it did not undergo artificial polishing process, which is good as it retained the natural goodness and wholesome character. These chana are quite big and we are going to soak them in water for 6 hours minimum, or overnight is better. So the chickpeas has doubled in size and it has a firm texture, seems to be of good quality. Now coming to the recipe, in a pressure cooker add soaked chana, and for 1 cup of chana we are going to use 2 cup of water. Now add a tea bag, 1 tablespoon salt, a cinnamon stick and 2 green cardamom. Now secure cooker lid and pressure cook 1 whistle on high flame and 5 whistle on low flame. Once the pressure release, open the cooker and let's check whether chana is boiled properly or not. This is important. Chana should be pretty gentle to press. And now we can discard the tea bag, and in a large kadai add 2 spoon oil. To this add cumin seed, let it splutter, and now 1 finely chopped onion. Saute for a while and then ginger garlic paste. Saute until onion turns golden brown. And add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder. Saute on low flame until spices turn aromatic. Now further add 1 chopped tomato. Now salt, red chili powder and any brand chole masala, just 1 tablespoon, and saute till tomato becomes soft and mushy. Now add boiled chole and mix well. You can adjust the consistency by adding water if required, and once it starts boiling, simmer for 10 minutes or until chole absorb all the flavor. And lastly, a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Finally, the chole are ready and they are delicious. I would definitely purchase this again and recommend it to you guys. If you find the video useful, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.